I still look at the door sometimes.
I hear steps in my mind, but the door stays quiet. I was 8 years old when my father left. He said he would come back before dark. He said it like it was normal, like it was a small thing. My name is Ayan. I lived with my father in a small house. It was close to the road. Buses passed every hour. Dust came in through the windows. My father worked in a repair shop. He fixed radios and fans. His hands were always dark with oil. He washed them every night. The sink was old. The water was cold. Every morning, he woke me up early.
He made tea.
He burned the toast often. We laughed about it. He never got angry. He just smiled and said sorry. After school, I came home alone. I did my homework on the floor. I waited for him. I listened for his steps. I knew the sound of his walk.
Slow.
Heavy. Safe. In the evening, he usually came home tired. He sat on the chair near the door. He closed his eyes for a minute. Then he asked about my day. I talked. He listened. He always listened. That day was the same at first. He fixed his shirt.
He took his small bag.
He said he would be back before dark. He touched my head. He smiled. Then he left. The sun went down. The house became quiet. The street lights turned on. I sat near the door. I waited. I did not eat. I told myself he was late. I told myself he missed the bus. I told myself not to worry. I watched the door. I kept watching. That night, he did not come home. I slept on the floor. I kept my shoes on. I wanted to be ready. In the morning, the door was still closed. Days passed. Then weeks. People asked questions. I had no answers. I said the same thing every time. He will come back. I went to school. I came home. I waited. I listened. Every sound made my heart stop. Every bus made me stand up. Then I sat down again. At night, I talked to the door. I told it about school. I told it about my dreams. I told it I was doing fine. The door never answered. Sometimes I felt angry. Sometimes I felt empty. Most times, I felt tired. Waiting takes a lot of energy. I did not know that before. I asked myself many questions. Did I say something wrong? Did I make him tired? Did he forget me? Did he want to leave? I tried to remember his face, his voice, his laugh. Some days it felt close. Some days it felt far away, like a picture in water. One evening, I found his old jacket. It was behind the door. It still smelled like oil. I held it. My hands shook. I sat on the floor. I put the jacket on. It was too big. The sleeves covered my hands. I felt warm. I felt small. I felt safe for a moment. Then I felt very alone. I took the jacket off. I folded it slowly. I placed it back. I sat there for a long time. I started writing his name on paper. Again and again. I wrote it small. I wrote it big. I wrote it until my hand hurt. It did not bring him back. One day, I stopped waiting at the door. I sat near the window instead. I watched the road. People walked past. Life moved on. I stayed still. A few weeks later, I cleaned the house. I did not know why. I just started. I moved things. I threw old papers away. I found a notebook. It was his notebook. Inside were small notes, numbers, names, little drawings. On the last page, there was my name, just my name, nothing else. I closed the notebook. I held it to my chest. I did not cry. I breathed slowly. Something changed inside me. It was quiet, but it was real. That night, I slept without my shoes on. In the morning, I opened the door. The road looked the same, but I did not wait. I stepped outside. I walked to school. I carried the notebook in my bag. I felt heavy. I also felt steady, both at the same time. In the evening, I came home. I made tea. I burned the toast. I smiled without meaning to. I sat near the window. The door stayed closed. I did not watch it. I listened to the street. I listened to my breath. I stayed there until it was dark. I still think of my father. I still say his name.
But now,
I say it softly, not to the door, just to myself.